How you doing, folks? This is Scott with Dallas Paint Correction and Luxury Microfiber here in Dallas, Texas. Rinseless washing, a lot of us have to do it because we live in water restricted areas. We aren't allowed to have runoff, whatever the case may be. Maybe you're just a fan of rinseless washing because you don't want to break out a hose, you don't have a power washer. Maybe you don't have a water source outside. Maybe you don't have like a hose bib. Well, when it comes to rinseless washing, cleaning wheels is a pain in the butt because it's hard to rinse off the solution, right? And really flush off the brake dust or whatever cleaner you want to use. Folks, this right here is called the Rinse Kit, Rinse Kit Plus. I bought this thing at Walmart for about, $50. You fill it up through your kitchen sink. If you want to put hot water in it, they give you an adapter to be able to hook it up and fill it at the kitchen sink if you want. It holds 2 gallons of water and it will hold the same amount of pressure of your water source at your home. So maybe that's 40 pounds, 50, 60 psi, I have no idea. But as you fill this tank, you hear it kind of holding pressure. It reaches capacity and you're ready to go. It comes with a little spray head on the end of it. Watch this. Now let's say I'm doing a rinseless wash and I want to clean these wheels. But when I do a rinseless wash, I got to use a lot of microfiber towels. Such a pain in the butt. Maybe I want to use a more aggressive cleaner, but I can't rinse it off because I'm doing a traditional rinseless wash method. Now I can go in here, going to use some bleach white, right? Why not? This stuff's pretty good. Spray it on the tire. Let it eat through that browning and juicy goodness, right? I'm kind of working out of the shade in the moment, so that's cool. Put a lot on there. Why not? This stuff's only like $3. Now I'm going to take my Eagle One black and plastic coat wheel cleaner from Eagle One and spray it on the rim or the wheel, however you want to look at it. Get it all over the place. This stuff is cheap too, so have fun with it. Let it work in there for you, right? Now what I can do is take my wheel brush and I can scrub the wheels if I want, right? Remove that browning. That's awesome. Just doing a demo here, not trying to be diligent in the moment. But I clean all that off. That's wonderful. Now if I want to do the face of the wheels, I can take my other brush, clean off the face of the wheels, right? That's cool, Scott. Wonderful. We've seen this 1,000 times. Well, so have I. Done it 1,000,000 times. Now I want to take a little wheel woolly, get inside there, clean the barrels of the wheel. That's awesome. Yay. So excited. Never been so happy in my life. Now I want to rinse it off. If I'm doing a rinseless wash, maybe I got to grab some microfiber towels from my rinseless solution, get in there, try to mop up, push off as much of the product as I can. Now I'm just going to take this Rinse Kit Plus and do this. Now you can go in there and mop up. You have this little thing helps you be able to push off that cleaner, the fluid, whatever you want to do. Mop up with a microfiber towel like you would with a typical rinseless wash. This thing holds 2 gallons of water. They say it runs for 5 minutes. It's more like 3 or 4 minutes. But plenty of time to be able to do all 4 wheels on a vehicle if you're kind of working smart here. So that's kind of a cool little tip to be able to rinse off wheels and get them a little bit cleaner than your traditional rinseless wash. Is this the greatest thing in the world? No, absolutely not. A power washer would be great. A hose would be great. Maybe the Works Hydro Shot would be better, but this is about $50. Could be great for those that don't even have a source of water outside. They want to fill it up with warm water inside their home. I think it's a really cool winner. It doesn't break the bank. You can also wash your dog with it. Take it camping with you and wash yourself with it with warm water. I think it's worth looking at. It's not the greatest tool on the planet. It could save some people a lot of time and aggravation, and that's why I wanted to show it. The Rinse Kit Plus from Walmart for about $50. I can do all 4 wheels. After that, it's going to start losing pressure. Not the end of the world. I can go inside the home and just fill it up real quick. It takes about 30 seconds to fill it. And then I can get around the car, When we're doing rinseless washing, this is the biggest pain in the butt with wheels. How do I get them deep clean? Do I want to reach in there with my hand and a microfiber towel and scrub and get all filthy, ruin some towels along the way? That could be an answer for somebody. Certainly could be an answer for somebody who lives in an apartment, townhome, no water source outside. They got to run inside the house and fill it. You know what? You fill it up with warm water or hot water coming out of your tap. It can make cleaning the wheels a little bit easier. Isn't that cool? 50 bucks at Walmart. I think it could be useful to somebody. And I like it. I think it's cute, nifty. I don't know about overall durability. You'll have to just take care of it. Don't throw it around. Store it properly, and it'll probably last you for a very long time. Love you guys. Talk to you later. Hopefully that helps somebody out.